Forgot your ZOSI DVR or NVR password? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a simple method to reset it. First, go to your ZOSI DVR or NVR. There, you'll see a QR code or UID. This code is required to generate a reset password.
Subscribe our channel for more videos and hit the bell icon.
Now, take a photo of the QR code or note down the UID. Next, download and install the CCTV Super Password app from the Play Store or App Store. Once installed, open the app and select ZOSI from the list of supported brands. Now, tap Reset with Code and scan the QR code displayed on your DVR screen. If you're using a UID, enter it manually. The app will generate a super password for your device. Go back to the DVR login screen, enter the username, admin, then type the generated super password and click OK. If everything is entered correctly, your ZOSI DVR or NVR will unlock and you'll be able to access the system again. After logging in, don't forget to create a new password that you can remember. That's it. Your ZOSI DVR password has been successfully reset.
Your ZOSI DVR is locked and you forgot the password? Don't worry, this is the most common issue, and I'm going to show you the real working method to reset it step by step. First, go to your DVR login screen. Instead of trying random passwords, simply look for the Forgot Password option and click it. Now your DVR will generate a QR code. This is the key to your password recovery process. Take your mobile phone and open the ZOSI Smart or Guarding Vision app. Use the Scan option and scan the QR code shown on your DVR screen. After scanning, the system will verify your device. You may receive an email or security confirmation depending on your setup. Now check your email inbox. Open the reset link sent by the system to verify ownership of your device. Now you can create a new password. Make sure it's strong, using letters and numbers for better security. Once done, your DVR will restart or log you out. Now log in again using your new password and your system is fully restored. If this method worked for you, let me know in the comments. And if you want more hidden DVR recovery methods,
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and follow Technical Thinker for more CCTV and DVR tips.